Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel NET EXPONENT. My name is Yashika. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you about a very important topic, and that is how is crude oil price impacting the entire economy. So immense growth would not have been possible without crude oil, right? So this crude oil is a raw material and is required in almost all the industries, starting from fuel, chemical industry, plastic, transportation and so on, right? So India imports 84% of crude oil from various Middle East countries, Iraq, UAE, etc., right? So now one question that arises is, how are the prices of crude oil determined? Crude oil prices are basically determined with the help of demand and supply factors. See, for example, at the time of COVID, when the economy was stagnant, right, there was not much growth in the economy. At that time, the demand of crude oil was low, which resulted in decline in the prices of crude oil. On the other hand, if we look at Ukraine-Russia war, at that time, since they are the major suppliers of crude oil, so that abrupted the supply of crude oil, but the demand was high, which resulted in a rise in the prices of crude oil, right? So now the next question is, when you understood how prices are determined, what impact does these prices have on the entire economy, right? Okay, so if we look at the impact now, our country is importing crude oil, right? So when the prices of this crude oil starts increasing, our import bills start increasing. Okay, we are importing crude oil in, we are doing it in terms of dollars, right? Our import bills start increasing since we are importing 84% of it. So additionally, with its increase in the import bill, our exchange rate starts depreciating. Our Indian rupees in respect of US dollar starts depreciating. Why? Because we are importing it with in US dollars, right? So first impact is our import bills start increasing. When your import bills start increasing, you can say your current account deficit is increasing, right? Second is your Indian rupee starts depreciating, right? So all these will have an impact on the inflation. It will bring inflation in the economy, and obviously when inflation rises, the interest rate also has to be increased, right? So interest rate also rises. Now one more impact is, we cannot forget the stock prices, right? Major impact on stock prices. So there are various the companies which are completely dependent on crude oil, right? So their stocks will start declining, right? So these are the, you can see how crude oil prices has a cascading effect on the entire economy, how it brings inflation, it depreciate our rupee, it increase our current account deficit, it declines our stock prices, right? So this is how it impacts the economy. So I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching.